Hi, this is Jimmy T. This is Google Docs. So this is essentially just it's like Word, but you can share it with group mates and friends to work on stuff. So for example, I have a short description of my course theme, and the way that I do that is you can just start a new document, and you can type whatever you want. Here I've shared it with friend, and all I did was I just typed in the email address and I hit send, and it'll send them an email with the link to the document. So here you can see they added a comment. I can add some things like that. If I can hit resolve, and I'll just take the comment away, and then I can actually reopen it by adding another comment. The way to add comments would be just to hit it right here, and I can add a comment. They can also bring up the document and edit it however they want, as long as I give them the power to.